Hi, this is Ian from Savant. We're excited to show you a brand new feature of the Savant Power System we call Smart Budget. Smart Budget helps homeowners and businesses avoid costly service upgrades when they're looking to add new electrical loads to their panel. As a point of reference, over 50 million homes in the United States have less than a 200 amp electrical service. Those homeowners may be looking to update their kitchens with new electrical appliances, possibly enhance their heating systems to be more energy efficient, or look to add a new load to the home like a new hot tub or possibly a charger for their new electric vehicle. The hurdle they're going to run into, however, is that their available electrical service is probably already being fully used for everything else that's already in the home. So what do? One option is to pursue an electric service upgrade with the utility. Now, depending on the work involved, that can be quite costly. It could be something as simple as replacing the transformer across the street, but it also may mean bringing new lines to the house, whether overhead or underground. Depending on the scenario, this can be very costly, possibly in the tens of thousands of dollars, and it can also take months or more for that utility to deliver. It also may mean that that homeowner needs to update their main service panel inside of the house. That can also be costly and take time, and maybe more than they bargained for when they're simply just looking to add one more load to the house. That's where Savant Load Management with Smart Budget comes into play. The foundation of that solution is the Savant Power Module. This is a device that installs directly in your existing electrical panel and allows you to monitor live consumption of any circuit and decide when it gets power or not, either from an app or on a schedule. This becomes the basis of how we allow that home to keep within its fixed electrical service. So let's take a look at how that would play out in everyday life for the homeowner. With Savant Load Management installed in the electrical panel, the homeowner can go into their Savant app and set up what we call energy scenes to decide which combinations of circuits in the home are going to be powered at any given time. Now they can use those different scenes to shift power around the house so that whatever they need on the fly can be powered instantly. Now, that's great, but what's even better is using automation to schedule when power shifts around the house. So let's talk about the scenario when we have our appliances powered all through the day. Maybe we're at work, those appliances are there so that people can cook a meal as needed. But we get home, we park that car in the garage, we plug in our electric vehicle ready to charge, but we still may need to make dinner. So we're not ready to switch our power over to our electric vehicle yet. But at some point that evening, we're all ready for bed, we go to bed, and automatically the power in the house switches over for that application. So now our car is going to be all charged up for the morning, and come morning time, another schedule will kick in to be able to shift power back to our range and all of our other appliances that we need for daily use. Now we know there will be some times when you just want to have something powered on demand. So you can go into the app and look at your Smart Budget, see what's being powered right now, choose what it is that you'd like to have powered, and then make room in your budget by turning off some of those non-essentials. Done. How easy was that? Now let's take a look at the basic solution. So we've already discussed the Savant Power Modules. You're going to have a professional install those in your existing electrical panel. Remember, we need at least 2 power modules so that we can add the new load to our panel as well as accommodate that existing load where we're going to swap power back and forth. Now, you could add additional power modules. This will help you achieve greater levels of energy efficiency and also give you more options of what you want to power in the home. Now, in addition to the power modules, we're also going to see our current track module inside of the panel. This is what allows us to monitor the main feeds coming into the home and provide the homeowner with overall consumption data and show them other energy insights that they wouldn't get otherwise. Now, everything that's in the panel, it communicates through our Savant Power Director. This is effectively the hub of our solution. It allows the homeowner to connect with an app, set up those energy scenes that we've already talked about, and be able to interact with the home, whether they're there in the house or they're somewhere away at work or on vacation. Now, everything that you see starts at $1,499 for this basic setup. You can always extend it, but with easy installation that can only take a few hours by that professional, it's a great alternative to replacing your entire panel with a smart panel or engaging that utility for that service upgrade. Thank you for spending time to learn about Savant Load Management with Smart Budget. We're excited to help homeowners go green and further electrify their homes. If you're interested in more information about any of Savant's smart home or smart power solutions, please visit savant.com.